Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set details on the Facetune application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and you can find the different buttons. You just open the app and so that's the home screen, and click on profile, select to your gallery. You can find the lower bar and you can find the details option next to the focus. Tap that, and here you can find the details, the sharpen and the structures. You can use the auto, the manual or the erase button, and if you finish, click to the OK button, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.